Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up as we dive into the future of high-performance driving with the 2027 Audi RS5. This beast isn't just a car, it's a mechanized marvel that channels the stealthy energy of a ninja turtle ready to strike. With its wicked wide-body design, futuristic aesthetics, and powerhouse hybrid tech, the RS5 is set to redefine what a sports sedan and wagon can be. First, let's talk looks. The RS5 screams aggression without crossing into rage. Those rear fenders bulge with taut tension, like a predator crouched for the pounce. The full-width heck-blend taillight stretches across the back, giving it a sleek sci-fi vibe. And those massive exhaust outlets, they look like rocket boosters primed for launch. Available as a liftback sedan, where the rear glass lifts with the trunk, or as the Avant wagon, this RS model is about 1.57 inches wider on each side than the standard A5, thanks to those flared arches. Picture the sedan in a stunning shade of tactical green, evoking a high-tech warrior, or the Avant in a fiery red that demands attention. It's over the top, yet elegantly balanced, captivating at first glance. Under the hood, or should I say under the sleek bonnet, lies a plug-in hybrid powertrain that's as smart as it is savage. At its core is a 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, pumping out 503 horsepower and 443 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an electric motor delivering 175 horsepower and 339 pound-feet of torque, the total system output hits 630 horsepower and 609 pound-feet. Sure, you can't max out both simultaneously, but this setup propels the RS5 from 0 to 62 miles per hour in a blistering 3.6 seconds. Top speed, a governed 177 miles per hour, perfect for those unrestricted Autobahn runs. As a PHEV, it offers an electric-only range of about 52 miles, blending eco-friendliness with explosive performance. Weighing in at 5,192 pounds for the sedan and 5,225 for the wagon, this is no lightweight, but Audi's engineering wizardry keeps it agile. Power flows through an 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission with paddle shifters, feeding into a limited-slip center differential that variably splits torque between front and rear axles from 70-30 to 15-85. But the real star is the dynamic torque control system in the rear transaxle. This electromechanical marvel uses an electric motor actuator, overdrive gears, and a differential to actively vector torque between the rear wheels, recalculating every 5 milliseconds. Unlike older systems that rely on brakes, this one delivers massive power shifts for razor-sharp handling. It works on throttle and off, even stabilizing during regenerative braking. For stopping power, standard RS steel brakes measure 16.5 inches front and 15.8 inches rear. Upgrade to the optional RS ceramics, 17.3 inches front and 16.1 inches rear, and you'll shave weight while boosting heat resistance. Audi claims a 62 to 0 mile per hour stop in just 100 feet with ceramics, rivaling supercars like the McLaren 765 LT, which edges it by only 2 feet despite its air brake. And if you're feeling playful, engage the RS Torque Rear mode. It biases power to the outside rear wheel, enabling controlled drifts and tire-shredding fun. Just remember, those 285/35 ZR20 tires aren't cheap, around $2,000 a set, so save the smoke shows for special occasions. Pricing starts at €106,200 for the sedan, about $125,000, and €107,850 for the Avant, roughly $127,000. European deliveries begin this summer in Germany, with US details still to come. The 2027 Audi RS5 isn't just a car, it's a statement of innovation, blending hybrid efficiency, wide-body drama, and track-ready tech. Whether you're carving corners or cruising electric, this machine delivers thrills that electrify the soul. Get ready, the future is wide, wild, and waiting.